extensive history since the Democrats took the majority, and we have the most debt that we have. Our debt is larger than the entire economy. So we've got to
Right, this is Dad Random doing a vlog from inside of my car. I am using a 4-camera dash system. It's the first 4-camera dash system that I've ever tried out, and it has basically a 2K forward facing camera and 1080 on basically the two fronts and the rear facing. So it gives you a really large basically area that or field of view. So especially if this thing is parked, this is in parking mode, you are going to get a complete coverage of the inside and the exterior, depending on how you have your cameras arrayed. Right now, my cameras are not as far over as I can. I could point them, further towards the windows. So yeah, this one is a TiESFONG M10, I believe. So if I have it wrong, I'm trying to remember. But TiESFONG M10 interior dash. This is the first. This is a 128 gigabyte card, memory card, Lexar memory card, and over the front dash is what they call a radar, basically a motion detector, and it detects motion forward and back. So yeah, so TiESFONG M10. 4-camera system. Now, strength-wise, the video I've seen was pretty good. It was at a good time of the day where the sun was pretty high. Now, right now the sun is really low, so the Multicam, connect DVR button, connect to use. Yeah, don't show me that anymore. Connect to DVR, so there it is right there. It says connect to DVR. Click on that, so it's ready to go, and then there's my live picture right there. And yeah, if you automatically turn it, it'll go wide view, and then you can toggle through the different cameras. So I can switch my camera views, and there's my rear camera view. There's me right there. There's the camera view of us, and there's the passenger side, and you can see out that's whole side of the car, which is really cool. So I mean, this is totally unique. It's a unique experience.